Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to import videos to CapCut. So guys, here I have already opened my CapCut application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do if we want to import videos to CapCut is creating a new project. We can tap on new project button right here, then we can select videos from our device or from our gallery that we want to import. And for example, I'm going to import this video. We can tap on this circle to select the video. You can select more than one video. Okay. After you have selected the video, you just need to click on add right here, and then the video will be imported to your CapCut project. And just wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, and now the video has been imported to our CapCut project. These are the video. If you want to import another video, you just need to tap on this button. Then it will bring you to your device. And you just need to do the same step. Select the video and tap on add button. This one. Okay. And as you can see, now the video has been imported, and that's how we can import videos to CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.